Bonjour et bienvenue dans l'anglais simplement, votre chaîne qui vous aide à comprendre et parler l'anglais de manière simple et efficace. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez apprendre des expressions anglaises pour débutants. L'objectif est que vous maîtrisez ces expressions utiles durant les 7 jours, selon votre rythme. L'idéal serait que vous les appreniez par jour et pour ça, je vous ai mis des expressions à mémoriser par jour, allant de jour 1 à jour 7. Si vous êtes nouveau, abonnez-vous à la chaîne car nous publions ici chaque jour des vidéos utiles. C'est parti.
Repeat after me. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? My name is. My name is. My name is. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. I'm from Senegal. I'm from Senegal. I'm from Senegal. I live in Dakar. I live in Dakar. I live in Dakar. I want this. I want this. I want this. How much is it? How much is it? How much is it? I don't have cash. I don't have cash. I don't have cash. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. I'm just looking. Great. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station? I need a taxi. I need a taxi. I need a taxi. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I have a question. I have a question. I have a question. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'd like a sandwich. I'd like a sandwich. I'd like a sandwich. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? The food is delicious. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full. Can I have the bill? Can I have the bill? Can I have the bill? Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Can I call you? Can I call you? Can I call you? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? I'm calling you. I'm calling you. I'm calling you. I have no signal. I have no signal. I have no signal. I'll send you a message. I'll send you a message. I'll send you a message. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. One moment, please. One moment, please. One moment, please. It's urgent. It's urgent. It's urgent. Hang up. Hang up. Hang up. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Take a shower. Take a shower. Take a shower. Clean your room. Clean your room. Clean your room. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm sick. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. Take this medicine. Take this medicine. Take this medicine. I need help. I need help. I need help. I feel better. I feel better. I feel better. I'm working. I'm working. I'm working. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. I need a break. I need a break. I need a break. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. What's your job? What's your job? What's your job? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. What's this? What's this? What's this? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I think so. I think so. I think so. Maybe. 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 It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. That's great. That's great. That's great.